Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R series. It's the 07 to 13 GMC Sierra with the 6.5 foot bed. Red in color, Victory Red. It's a unit that's been used and does have some issues. You kind of see some nicks and scratches through there, back edge there. Does have a ladder rack on the top. Top looks good through here. A little bit of a nick or scratch. I guess it's just a nick right there. It really doesn't look too bad. It's just minor scratches because I've the top here from stuff being loaded on the ladder racks. A little bit of scratches right there. A couple nicks there. Nick right there. A couple right there. Down through here. And the bottom edge here has some chips on the edge from it's been sitting in the ground and taken on and off the truck probably. Down through here the bottom edge is kind of scuffed up and scratched a little bit. Not horribly bad, but it's there. And then got some scratches right there on the edge. Does have the half side sliders on the side, so you can see it from a distance. It's not, you can see the scuffs on the side, but those in the middle there are probably the worst. Some touch-up paint would probably make a world of difference on that. Picture window in the front. Paint looks pretty good up here on the front. It does have some chips on the leading edge here, probably from road debris. Chips through there. Down through here looks good. A little bit of a scratch there on the front corner. And other than that, it's not too bad here on the front edge. Picture window in the front. This side's a lot better than the other side. A couple chips. A little bit of a scuff mark here. A couple scratches right there. Mostly just, like I said, little scuffs from loading stuff on the ladder rack. Down through here we got a couple chips. But this edge, a lot nicer shape. Not all chewed up. A couple spots where it's nicked. Right there, there, and then some right along the bottom edge here. Really about it. Half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Scratch right there. A couple scratches up through here on the top. Right under the brake light there. On the sides here. And the back edge we looked at here earlier, but we'll look at it again. So, inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens got a couple minor issues with them. Little snag in the screen right there on this side. A little bit of a hole right there, right there. Get a little small one right there. Nothing real major. Snags here and there on them. Can't even get, there it is. I couldn't get that one to show up. Small one there, small one there. I mean, like I said, just minor snags on the screen. This screen, a little worse. It's a hole right there. A little bit of a tear on that side. There. Got a cut in the screen there. Right there. So if you're going to sleep in here and you're trying to keep the mosquitoes out, this one might want to be replaced, but this will keep the majority of the stuff out if you're just storing stuff back here and want ventilation. Serial number. It's right there. Here we go. It does have a brand new door in it. The rear door has been replaced, it's brand new. So there it is. Got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R series. It's a 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra with a 6.5 foot bed. Victory red in color is on this unit. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us there as well. So you can click that link, go to the search bar, type in what you're looking for, and we'll get you taken care of and get it sent out to you. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap style, model, color, brand for your truck, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.